what happens when you've tried to negotiate matters and it's not getting anywhere, you've come to a standstill? Or what happens when you're litigating and you don't want to go to the next step because it's going to be a very expensive one? There's always the opportunity, even before trying to negotiate anything, that parties attend with a mediator. I would just give you one piece of advice though when doing so, is that when you attend with a mediator, that you know your rights and obligations before you go in. So sometimes mediation can be done with the assistance of lawyers. Lawyers are attending throughout the whole mediation. On the other hand, lawyers can advise clients who can then attend mediation with their partner and the mediator. Now, mediation can take various forms. Sometimes we don't even put the parties together, but we have them all in the same building. The reason for that is there's no typing letters and time to send letters and review letters and a response, give a response to letters. So having everyone all together with a mediator helps. We can also do four-way meetings, we call it that way. There's just no mediator. And there's a quick, easy way to exchange information, quick, easy way to get instructions from your client, and so sometimes that's a very attractive way to proceed. There are other forms of alternative dispute resolution, and that would be arbitration. So what's the difference between mediation and arbitration? So mediation is a voluntary process, and it's a process where the parties own the result. They don't have to agree at the end of the day to what the mediator is trying to get them to agree to if they do not want to. Arbitration, on the other hand, is where parties are going to get a decision made at the end of the process, not by a judge, but by the person that they agreed to arbitrate. Now, sometimes mediation can turn into arbitration. It has to be set up that way, but we call it med-arb. And in that situation, the mediator will try to find common ground between the parties, feeling which once the mediator gets to a point where he or she feels that he can't get the parties any closer, he or she will make the ultimate decision that's an issue.